Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mezi and I make videos on plants and sustainable living. So in today's video, you'll see me repotting this beautiful fiddle leaf fig, which is about 3 years old, and it's almost root bound, and you can see the roots all over, and you'll have a better idea when I take out the plant from this pot. So without any further ado, let's begin the repotting. So this is Ficus Lyrata, the dwarf version, that is Ficus Lyrata Bambino. So this is almost 3 years old and it's almost root bound. I just changed the pot once after I bought it, so it's been there for quite some time. So today I'll be repotting it in a pot that's 2 sizes bigger than the pot that's in right now. So I had to hit the pot a little bit outside because the plant was really root bound and the soil is very compact. So this process helps in loosening up the soil and it makes it easier for me to pull the plant. So here I could finally pull the plant out, and there you can see it's all root bound, and I won't be chopping off the roots. I'll leave it as it is since the pot that I'll be using today is 2 sizes bigger than the pot that I previously planted in. So here I filled up the pot with a little bit of cocoa husk and the soil mixture that I prepared. There's a little bit of perlite vermicompost and some leaf compost that was collected. So I'll be leaving the fiddle leaf fig as it is and just loosen up the soil at the bottom so that the roots can be free. But I will not be chopping off the roots. I'll be leaving it as it is and allow it to grow since the pot is bigger. So that was the repotting of my Ficus Lyrata Bambino, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, do consider subscribing to my channel for more such contents. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care.